Hello, welcome to Unofficial Design. In today's video, let's make this arcade-style infinite background. We have all the assets ready, and make sure you well organize all the layers. If you need this Illustrator file for practice, please find link in description.
Let's go to After Effects. Create a new composition. Okay, 1920 by 1080 pixel.
Let's give it a name, arcade screen. And we just import the file, simply drag and drop. Import kind composition, and for footage dimensions, layer size. And we're gonna use this one solo. Okay, for example, we go to the stars layer and we check solo. In this way, we can only see the stars layer. And we'll search for motion tile effect. This is super helpful when we are creating infinite backgrounds. Just apply the effect. This is pretty similar to layer position. We just go to the first frame, first value negative, and go to the last frame to change the value back. You can see the background moves, and it's a seamless loop, which is pretty good. Okay, next we're gonna animate the spheres. So they will move from left to right, so we simply change position X. Okay, let's preview. You can see we sort of get there. Okay, next we're gonna work on this call to action. Just to click the layer and press T, you can see opacity, and we need an expression here. Hold Alt or Option and click the stopwatch. Type we go 5/100. Okay, now the flicker text effect is ready. We're gonna move on. To animate the title, I will use light sweep. We just search for CC light sweep. Since it will move vertically, so I will change the direction to 90 degrees. And for center, we change the first value to -50. And we move 1 second further, change the value to 350. Sweep intensity 50. Edge thickness 2. Easy is the keyframes. Right click the second one, choose toggle hold keyframe. Select both of them, copy, and move 20 frames further, paste. The last thing I'd like to do is to animate the rest elements. The planet, the UFO, and this Among Us ball, so just add wiggle expression to the position. We have everything done, let's preview. Hope this tutorial helps. See you next week.